Yikes, what's the hype? This is something light. Yikes, out of town.
Whoa, welcome back. Yeah, so just like the title say, I'm just going to be showing you how I use aloe vera, the leaf, on my face at night. And here is the products I'll be using. This is the aloe vera. You don't really need too much of it because, like I say, if you watched my previous video with me using this on my hair, this is actually the leftover that I had from when I used it as a deep conditioner for my hair. You could poke holes in it and more gel will come out, so I didn't need a big piece. I don't have a big ass face. I had this just sitting around. I'm gonna clean my face with this first before I use the let's see if I can, before I actually use the aloe vera. I'm gonna just clean my face with this, and then maybe after, when I finish using the aloe vera leaf, I'm going to probably wash it one more time with just some Dove soap, which is in that. Of course, I got my daiquiri. Okay, so let's get started. Here, I'm just showing you cleaning my face before I apply the aloe vera gel to my face. I'm cleaning with the Clean and Clear Morning Burst Facial Scrub. It has orangey smell to it. I really like it. It smells really good. So yeah, you just see me cleaning, scrubbing, scrubbing down, scrubbing to make sure my face is really clean for the gel. Okay, that was me just basically washing my face, getting it all clean, opening up my pores for the aloe vera. Y'all, this does smell so good. I don't think you really need a demonstration on it. Yeah, that was morning. Okay. So now, make sure you'll be able to see me get down. Don't have little the. You're gonna see me going in with the aloe vera leaf. This is the leaf. Put that all around my face. I don't think I'm gonna need any more because, like I say, a little bit goes a long way. Normally when I do more, I end up wasting a lot of the product because I don't even need that much. Seeing what I'm doing here, just poking, getting that extra juice out of there. See if it focuses in on it. Maybe not. Let's see. Anywho, there goes. See? All under the eyes. I do this normally when it's time for me to, normally when it's time for me to deep condition my hair, I take the leftovers and use it for my face. So one leaf goes a very, very long way. I promise you it does. One leaf. Over here, I'm gonna poke this one more time. So I get a little bit more juice out of it. I still smell that stuff I use to open up my pores. So now I'm gonna grab the oh shit. No. Y'all, I just dropped it on the paper towel. And of course, the damn gel got on the paper towel. This is the other leaf. I can't see the gel on it because, like I said, I just dropped it. Poke this I basically got it all over my face. Yeah. I'm not trying to get it in my mouth. The white shit just okay, so let me get this up now. I'm finished with that. I'm gonna let that sit on my face for about 15-20 minutes, and then I'll come back once I rinse this off and let you see the results. Yeah. Whoa, welcome back. I just wanted to show you a quick update before I actually wash the aloe vera gel off my face. You could probably see how it's drying on my skin. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys that how it looks and feels. And I'm about to go and wash this off, and then I'll come back. Whoa, I'm back. So yeah, I just finished washing the aloe vera gel off my face, and this is the final results. I don't have anything, any moisturizer, cream that I put on my face after the aloe vera, but this is the results. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later.